All right, baby, we are back for another fragrance review, and it is Rolling in Love by Killian. Rolling in Love by Killian. Rolling in Love by Killian. And we'll be back to talk about it in just a sec.
Various images of Vashawn Jones, an African-American bald man sitting down in his music studio with keyboards, microphone, saxophone, computer screen, soundproofing materials on the walls. The words look good, smell good, feel good attached to each image. Final image of Vashawn, he is outside holding a white cane wearing all white with the words Debonair You by Fedora Outlier LLC.
All right, so this Rolling in Love, let me tell you the story behind this thing. The backstory behind it is I go to Saks Fifth Avenue, one in hopes that they have Straight to Heaven Extreme. Of course, they don't, but guess what? They had samples. So I did get some samples of Straight to Heaven Extreme. Smells awesome. But Black Phantom is what I went to purchase to test out and review and all that great stuff. And so Christina, shout out to Christina at the By Killian counter in Saks Fifth in Phipps Plaza Mall in Atlanta, turns me on to this fragrance here, Rolling in Love. And so it was a toss-up between Rolling in Love and Black Phantom. And of course, I went with Rolling in Love. I mean, it just felt right. It was right after vacation. Right after Valentine's Day, man. You know, the atmosphere felt right. And I said, let's rock with Rolling in Love. Man, smells good. Listen, I'm going to go ahead and give myself a couple of sprays. Boom. Boom. Scent of the day. Right? Now, this is some good juice. This is some great juice. I can't even really describe it. If I were to think about a color, it's almost like a heather gray. A heather gray. Right? So I'm blind. You thinking, right? How does he know his colors? Well, I can see for 30 years, so I remember my colors. This fragrance just reminds me of a real light gray. You know what I mean? Now, all the notes and all that stuff, man, that'll be in the details of the review. Lasts long, very, very different scent. You're not gonna find too many things out there that have this particular scent profile. It's a very light fragrance that the CIs, got the burps. The CIs and the wearability, the longevity, all of that's there. And it's just a great scent that you guys should definitely check out. Get a sample of it. Check it out. You can get those samples over at Scent Split. We do have an affiliate link down below. And if you want to check it out. But it is definitely a very smooth scent. Works great. I'm thinking definitely in the colder weathers, a little springish. Should work well for you. But, you know, hell, what do I know? You might get it and say, works great in the dead of summer. And you know what? You would be right. Because if you think you're right, or if you think you're wrong, you're right. Based on what you think. So listen, let's change the world. I'm Vashawn Jones, brand ambassador of the Debonair You. And let's change the world together.
Light flares moving over a black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange, all uppercase, appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment, in white lettering, also behind the flares, is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.